Boat Life Live, NEC Birmingham, 17th to the 20th of February 2022.
Welcome to the boating adventure. This is a short video to say that I have a press pass to be able to do some filming at the new Boat Live exhibition at the Birmingham Exhibition Centre, the NEC, on Thursday the 17th of February 2022, and it's open between 10 AM and 6 PM. So I'll be there doing some filming and also giving out promotional material to encourage as many people as possible to subscribe to the channel. So there'll be some pin badges and there'll be some business cards for me to give out. So if you were thinking of going, or you've already booked and you see me around, feel free to say hi. Be great to meet as many viewers as possible. Just look out for the badge, the Boating Adventure, YouTube, and if you can't see that, then on the back of my t-shirt I have the same information. So I hope to see some of you there, and who knows, you might even get on the vlog. The video that I'm hoping to produce will be published sometime at the beginning of April. So bye for now and take care.
Boat Life Live, NEC Birmingham, 17th to the 20th of February 2022.